Argentina's potential purchase of second-hand F-16 fighter jets from the US has gained traction, especially after the election of new Argentinian president, who is a staunch pro-US politician. The troops of Indian and Sri Lankan armies have started a joint tactical exercise that includes raid search and destroy missions as well as heli-borne operations. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that HAL will likely need a 3-year time frame to absorb the technology for co-production of F-414 engines. The US Congress is expected to clear the sale of 31 MQ-9B drones to India in the next few weeks, and officials have said that the deal will be signed by March 2024. Pakistan is considering co-production of Turkish MTAS long-range anti-tank missile system that has a range of 8 kilometers and can be fired from attack helicopters, light attack aircraft, land vehicles and naval platforms. The Crest of the third Project 15B guided missile stealth destroyer INS Imphal was unveiled today. The Deputy Chief of the Indian Air Force flew the light utility helicopter at Bengaluru for the first time, and he expressed satisfaction with the helicopter's performance. Private sector firm Solar Industries is expected to complete the development of 150 km range Maheshwarastra 1 and 290 km range Maheshwarastra 2 rockets within the next year. And once the rockets are ready, the Indian Army will begin testing and evaluating them before inducting them into service. The DRDO has also been tasked with developing a long-range multiple-barrel rocket system for the Indian Army that will have a range of 350 kilometers, which will significantly extend Army's strike capabilities. The Indian Army will soon issue a tender to Indian firms for acquiring 200 new mounted howitzers equipped with 105mm guns, in which Kalyani Group's Garuda 105mm mobile artillery system is seen as the front-runner. The Defence Ministry is also going to take up the case of clearing procurement of 400 units of 155mm 52 caliber towed guns under the Make in India initiative. The Army has already issued a request for information for truck-mounted 155mm howitzers, and trials are expected to start in 2024. The Indian Air Force is exploring the possibility of upgrading its existing fleet of 17 IL-76 strategic transporters through collaboration with Indian private sector companies and defence public sector undertakings. The Indian Air Force is in discussions with Rostec Corporation for the direct supply of more fuel-efficient and less noisy PS-90A-76 engines to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The upgrade will also include a digital cockpit, and the upgrade will extend the operational life of the IL-76 by another 15 years. The Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Ministry of Defence are set to engage in discussions with major carriers including Indigo and Air India to explore the potential development of a regional transport aircraft. The National Aerospace Laboratories had estimated that the clean sheet design and development of the RTA-90 aircraft would require an investment of up to $2 billion, and the upcoming discussions will provide valuable insights into the potential demand for the 90-seater aircraft and the challenges associated with its development. Today's top 3 comments.